just a couple quick trick reminders. So if I'm doing formulas, I start with equals and I'm going to type these in, but I want to actually click on the box, not type in the number, so that if I change anything, it will automatically update. If you get something with a lot of decimal places, remember that you can use these two to decrease the decimal places. And then here's where you'll start to get a little bit faster in, notice that I've collected this data. If I want to do the same thing for the rest of these boxes, I can click this little kind of green dot, I can drag it over, and you'll see that what they've done is just taken that same formula here, right? The 0.5 is my half reaction, half my products, and divided by this decimal time. So you can work a lot faster. You really only have to type in the formula once, and then you can drag it. And so over here, right, I can type in equals average, and a lot of times it will kind of tell you what you may want. But here I can select these, and I don't have to close that. I can just get that average. And then here I can type in this standard deviation, and then I can select these points that I want. And here's again, like I don't want all these, I want these to be the same, right? So this is, my average is 0.16, and then in like most of my data points are going to be in between 0.14 and 0.20, which you can kind of see is where most of these are, but there's, this one's a little bit above. But notice that if I had already done this up here, the mean and standard deviation, I can copy these and paste the formulas, and it will do the same thing for these boxes. So that's kind of how you can start making your life a little bit faster. And then up here, notice that I'll just pretend that I haven't done these. If I just want to link these, I can say, you know, equals, and then I can say it equals this box, put this same number here. And then I can click and I can drag. So I can say, you know, this one is linked down here, so that looks good. And then I can do this where I say, I already have my formulas here. I can click and drag them down one box, or I could drag them down all the way. And this will just make your life a little bit faster.